ET from CNC at Home. I saw something interesting on the Lightburn forum the other day about doing etching on ceramic tile. And what they did was they sprayed a white paint on the tile, and then they just did an image burn on the tile, put some lacquer thinner on there, washed away the old paint, and what got burned on ended up staying burned on. So naturally I had to give this a try. Bought some white paint. Here we go. Got some white tiles, got them painted up, nice flat white, and we'll put it on the laser, see how it does. I'm kind of excited to see how this works, in that this was something I wanted to try anyway. I wanted to try burning paint on something to see what would happen. Now I kind of have a good idea of what to expect, so let's take a look. To start with, I really have no idea what settings are going to work best. The forum that I read, the person was using a diode laser. It was less than half the power of this one, so those values aren't going to really do me much good. It does give me kind of a starting point. So I'm going to try a few test burns at some different power settings, and we'll see how that turns out. This first burn is going to use a Jarvis dithering at 2,000 millimeters per minute at 80% power. Let's see how it burns. Okay, it's a little light, so let's slow it down and see how that turns out. Okay, that's looking better. I wouldn't mind that being a little darker still. So let's try slowing it down just a little bit more. I'm going to go 1200 at 80% and see how that does. Okay, that's definitely darker, maybe a little too dark. It still looks actually pretty nice. So I'm going to speed it up just a little bit and do a bigger image. I'm going to go at 1350 for speed, keep it at 80% power. That turned out pretty nice. Now, the trick will be, will that clean off well, like they showed in the examples I saw. Here's the results after cleaning the paint off. I don't know if you can see this in the camera, but we're back down to the nice glossy finish of the tile. Where it lasered is still on there. It did not scrape off. It actually turned out pretty nice. This one that I thought was too dark might actually be one of the best now that the paint's cleaned off. Might have turned out the best on that one. So anyway, the process definitely works. I'll try fine-tuning it, but this is a good start. This will really open up a nice addition, a nice project. These ceramic tiles, I got this one for 16 cents. I got several of them. They were 16 cents each. And a 12-ounce can of paint was under $4. So this is a relatively cheap process. Clean off the paint, I just used either a lacquer thinner or a mineral spirits, and that cleaned the paint right off. So, really cool project.
Oops.
Hi, I'm AT from CNC at Home. If you like our content, help support our channel by clicking on subscribe and liking our videos. Thank you for watching this video. Have fun with your CNC at Home projects.